Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here at the upper bar you have 4 buttons, and the second one of them is timer. You can set it on 2, on 5 or on 8 seconds. So let's set it, for example, on 5 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.